All right, Adam. I see what you've done is that you've got your X's and your Y's crossed. You did miss the problem, but I did go ahead and give you partial credit back because according to what you put for your answer, you did graph it the way you put it. So let's back up. The actual equation is 2x plus 7y equals 14. And it says to find the intercepts. Well, when you plug in the 0 for the x, you are finding the y-intercept. So plug in 0. Well, 2 times 0 is 0. So I divide by 7. And y equals 2. You entered x equals 2. No, y is the one who equals 2. You plugged in 0 for the x. All right, now I'm going to do the same now by plugging in 0 for y and solving for x. Well, 7 times 0 is 0, which takes that term out, leaving you 2x equals 14. Divide by 2, x equals 7. There is where your mistake was. You may have plugged in the 0 for the x, but you solved for y and you put it down as the x value. No, you plugged in 0 for the x. Okay? And when you change it that way, there is 0, 2. There is 7, 0. This is the graph that they had. What you have is the green line. Lousy lines, but the blue line is the correct one. That is what the system is showing, but that it started with this. I said, without even seeing your work, I know what you've done because you got the correct answers. I've seen students do it before. Well, not the first. You just have to remember when you plug in the 0 for the x, you're not solving for x, you're solving for y. Hopefully that clarifies why you missed it. Again, I still gave you half credit back because according to the points that you put down, you did graph according to how you plotted the points. So basically, instead of having it fully be wrong, you've got partial credit, right? And I did make sure that you had full credit on the other one, even though I kind of call that a foul on that question a little bit. And I'll look at some other students. Reason being is it's something we haven't covered yet on the absolute values. And you was trying to treat them like parentheses. And that's something we haven't reviewed yet. That's not till later. So we'll go through that in detail later. I just gave you the credit. And explanation will come when we do the reviews later on about, I think, week 7. So there is a difference between absolutes and parentheses when you're dealing with solving. Okay, there tends to be more than one answer. All right, but I'll talk to you later. Good luck.